My name is Matt Foley, and myself and my brother John, we run KILBUSH Nurseries here in Rush in North Dublin, where we grow the finest tomatoes in Ireland. My father set the business up in about 1936. He built his first glasshouse, the first commercial glasshouse in Ireland. To turn a profit and to survive and to have enough money to reinvest is a huge, huge accomplishment. My father instilled in us that if a job was worth doing, it was worth doing well. So what we try, our mantra here is try and produce the best tasting tomatoes as possible. And when we do that, the customers love them. My parents spent a fortune educating me, but I still wanted to come home and grow tomatoes. I just love growing. I love the challenge of it. You're learning something new all the time, and you've never learned it all, you never know it all. It's a very enjoyable life.